Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the HTML page in Chrome and confirming the browser is up to date. This avoids rendering differences. Once done, disable any print-affecting extensions so they won't inject styles. Next, access Print from the menu or press Ctrl plus P to launch the print dialog. Make sure destination is set to save as PDF and set layout and paper size to match the expected output before proceeding to advanced options. You'll be ready for the next detailed steps. Now you focus on layout and CSS handling to preserve fidelity. You'll pick paper size and layout, then set margins to none or custom if you need edge-to-edge content. Use scale to fit content across pages and enable background graphics if the design relies on colors or images. If elements break between pages, open more settings and adjust headers and footers or CSS print media queries in DevTools. Once satisfied with the preview, you're ready to export a test PDF and refine. Finish by clicking Save and choosing a clear file name and folder. Then reopen the PDF to inspect fonts, images, links, and page breaks. If something looks off, make a small HTML change. Add or adjust at MediaPrint CSS for page breaks, margins, or font sizes. Also double-check Chrome's scale and background graphics settings. If problems persist, try printing from an incognito window or disabling extensions. That single troubleshooting tip, test with minimal CSS, usually reveals the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.